Hello everyone. In this problem, we want to find a systematic method for finding the mirror image of a function with respect to a point on the xy axis. If you like to solve the problem yourself, please pause the video. This is another one of those problems that has a systematic solution that applies to every problem of this kind. And what we want to do is to find the mirror image of a function, let's say this function on the xy plane with respect to a point 2 and 1. Now, if we want to find the mirror image of an arbitrary point on this function, let's say this point A, with respect to this point M, we need to make a line segment AM and then continue the line segment for the same length of AM to reach to the point A prime. And then A prime will be the mirror image of A. Now we can do this for every point on this curve, and the resulting curve will be the mirror image of the curve with respect to M. Now from one of the previous problems that we solved here, and I will post the link in the comment section, we know that if we know the coordinates of A and A prime, so if A is X and Y, and A prime is X prime and Y prime, then the coordinates of M will be X plus X prime over 2 and Y plus Y prime over 2. So if we call the coordinates of M xm and ym, xm will be x plus x prime divided by 2. So x prime, which is the coordinate of the mirror image of A with respect to M, will be 2xm minus x. And if ym is y plus y prime divided by 2, then y prime will be 2ym minus y. So this way we can find the coordinates of every point with respect to another point M. Now we have a function y equals to x plus 1 over x minus 2. So if we want to find the mirror image of y with respect to the point M, 2, and 1, then we need to find x and y with respect to x prime and y prime and then substitute into this equation. So x will be 2xm minus x prime, which is 2 times 2 minus x prime, which is 4 minus x prime, and y will be 2ym minus y prime, which is 2 times 1 minus y prime, and that gives us 2 minus y prime. Now if we replace x and y into this equation, we will get y is 2 minus y prime is equal to x is 4 minus x prime plus 1 divided by 4 minus x prime minus 2. And if we simplify this, it will give us 5 minus x prime divided by 2 minus x prime, which is 2 minus y prime. Now let's simplify this a little bit further. So I take y to the other side and this fraction to the left hand side. So we will have y prime is 2 minus 5 minus x prime divided by 2 minus x prime. And then we will have 4 minus 2x prime minus 5 plus x prime divided by 2 minus x prime is y, and that will be minus x prime plus 1. So this and this will give minus x prime, and this will give minus 1 divided by 2 minus x prime. So the mirror image of that function with respect to point M, 2 and 1 will be y prime is minus x prime plus 1, 2 minus x prime. So this way you can see we have a systematic method to find the mirror image of any function with respect to any point on the xy axis. You just need to follow this method and you'll find the mirror image. If you like this method, please subscribe to the channel or give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Thank you.